Renal blood flow. The amount of blood flowing through the kidney is huge relative to its size. Renal blood flow is about 1 liter per minute. This constitutes 20% of the resting cardiac output. Through tissue that constitutes less than 0.5% of body mass, considering that the volume of each kidney is less than 150 milliliter. Each kidney is perfused over 3 times its total volume every minute. All of the blood is delivered to the cortex, which is the outer part of the kidney. About 10% of the cortical blood flow is then directed to the medulla. Blood enters each of the kidney at the hilum here via renal artery. After several divisions into small arteries, blood reaches arcuate arteries. Here is the overview. Renal artery. From the renal artery, blood goes to the segmental arteries, then to the interlobar arteries, then arcuate arteries, then interlobular arteries. First there was interlobar arteries, then after arcuate arteries, blood goes to the interlobular arteries, then afferent arterioles. Then blood goes to the glomerular capillaries, then to the efferent arterioles, then peritubular capillaries and or the vasa recta, then interlobular veins. After the arteries, the veins carries the blood, then arcuate veins, then interlobar veins, after that segmental veins. At last, the renal vein takes the blood.